Now, I have a question for you. For me, it's a little bit different, but when someone calls you and says, my car won't start, what do you do?
It usually starts with an I'm sorry, because you know they're having a bad day. And that's always followed up with explaining to the customer there's a million reasons why your car might not start. Anything from catastrophic engine failure to something as simple as the battery in their key
the
fob.
pesky key
It's
fob
always
battery.
the key fob battery. Look, it used to be that these guys would just go boop, 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 boop,
Yep.
lock and unlock. This is what's used for starting the car as well.
Absolutely.
And it can clearly let you not open the car. It may also not let you start the car.
In a lot of cases too, when those batteries actually drain, it's because someone's actually sitting on the fob itself,
Yep.
and it's constantly pushing the button over and over again, draining the battery itself.
I've had them with two keys with transmitters in them, bounce off each other and kill one, but
Really?
not the other. So weird stuff can happen. Weird low voltage can happen. So not only do you need to make sure that you are replacing this probably more regularly, I think I got 10 years out of one,
Right.
and like, well, an embarrassingly short amount of time out of the other one. It's always something.
Let me get that for you. Right button.